Okay, guys, we have some chicken breasts. What are we going to cook today? We have some chicken breasts on the agenda. We're going to brown stew our chicken breasts. So, our chicken breast right there. What we're going to do today, brown stew chicken breast. So, we have everything down here. We have our pepper, everything we have down here. So, we'll start cut these things together. So, green pepper. No. So, green pepper. This is our them already washed. Make sure you wash them already. Wash everything right here. We have three different type of pepper. We have the red one, we have the yellow one, and we have the green one. That's what we have down here. And we have a carrot. Put a little carrot in to give it like a flavor. Some people don't put carrot, but we put carrot. We want to give it a little flavor. Alright. Move this aside. Put this aside right over here now. We'll grab our chicken breast now. We use the vinegar. We use vinegar and wash our chicken breast. Brown stew. Brown stew chicken. We don't have to cut these small pieces. Alright, we're going to season it now. Put our chicken in here. Move our cutting board. This is all out what we cut now with pepper, onion, and everything. Everything is here. Alright. This is chicken seasoning. It's chicken seasoning. Grind onion. The black pepper. Mix seasoning. Black pepper and different seasoning mix. It's a little, we'll put a little oxtail seasoning into it. Put a little oxtail seasoning into it. Not much. Alright. This is the browning we use. This is the browning we use. Alright, what we're going to do now, most of the seasoning right into our meat. Alright. Take off my gloves. I'm going to take you guys over the stove now. What we're going to do over the stove. Over here now. Alright guys, we're browning the chicken now. Turn the stove on. Turn the stove on. Just want the skillet. I don't know, probably the skillet not level or something. It's not all over the place. You want the oil to hot. This is our chicken. We're going to take the chicken out and leave the seasoning behind. Take all the chicken out and leave the seasoning behind. We don't really fry it, you know, we brown it. We want to just give it a dark color. How we're going to do it? We're going to cook it into a different pot. All the seasoning leave behind. Alright guys, what we're going to do now, this is the pot we're going to cook it into. This is the pot. So, we'll take them out of, we'll take it out of this pot, into this pot. Alright, this is it. We're going to put them on this pot. Right here. Turn this on. Put a little hot water, it's a little bit. It's a little bit. Cover him up now. Alright guys, we can take a look in the pot. Let's cook. Straight down. Alright guys, let us look. Guys, you know what we're going to do now? We're going to put the seasoning. All our seasoning that we cut. We're going to put our seasoning into our meat now. Pour a little more. Let it do its thing. Let it do what it have to do. Alright guys, that's how we can turn it off now, you know. We'll cut the stove off now. We're done now. Alright, we'll share a plate now guys. Yes guys, that's the finishing touch of the brown stew chicken. It's look beautiful. Catch you next time. Make sure you support the video. Lakeside TV 954, I'm out. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.